Hello and welcome to QuickBooks with Fredrick. I teach CPA level accounting and QuickBooks. My name is Fredrick. Today is topic 4, financial statements. We will cover 2 statements. 1. Income statement. 2. A statement of financial position. By the end, you will prepare both by hand and in QuickBooks. Let's start. Slide 2. What are financial statements? What are financial statements? They are records of business activities prepared at period end. Think of them as a report card. They show how the business performed. At foundation level, we have 2. 1. Income statement shows profit or loss. 2. Statement of financial position shows what you own and owe. Both are prepared from the trial balance. No trial balance, no correct financial statements. Slide 3. The 2 main statements. Income statement purpose. Show performance over a period. Formula, revenue minus expenses equals profit or loss. Statement of financial position. Purpose. Show position at a date. Formula, assets equals liabilities plus equity. Slide 4. Income statement format. Example, Bright Traders. For year ended December 31st, 2025. Revenue, $100,000. Expenses, rent $12,000, salaries $20,000, electricity $3,000, total expenses $35,000, net profit $65,000. This profit goes to the balance sheet. Slide 5, balance sheet format. Statement of financial position. As at December 31st, 2025. Assets. Cash $15,000, stock $20,000, equipment $50,000, total $85,000. Liabilities. Creditors $10,000, equity. Capital plus profit $75,000, total $85,000. Assets equal liabilities plus equity. Balances. Slide 6. Why important? Why are they important? 1. Measure performance and profit. 2. Show position to banks. 3. CRA needs them for tax. 4. Help in decision making. Businesses use them every day. Slide 7. Flow plus mistakes. Flow. Trial balance income statement balance sheet. Note, net profit increases capital. 3 mistakes to avoid. 1. Forgetting to add net profit to capital. 2. Mixing assets with expenses. 3. Wrong dates. Is for period. BS is as at. Always check assets equals liabilities plus equity. Slide 8. QuickBooks. In QuickBooks, it's easy. Step 1. Reports profit and loss. Step 2. Reports balance sheet. Step 3. Set date range. Step 4. Run. Report. Done in 30 seconds. Outro. Back to slide 1. Summary. Financial statements are the business report card. We have income statement and balance sheet. Both come from trial balance. In QuickBooks you generate them in 2 clicks. Homework. Prepare both and comment, I understood. Like, share, and subscribe. I am Fredrick. See you in topic 5. God bless.